This week, extra top tips for you are this one. So we've got number 2, the best and fastest way to increase your speaking skills is learning new vocabulary. And for that, we need to do a lot of reading. So read, read, and read is my top tip number 2 for you to increase your vocabulary in a very fast and effective way. And top tip number 3, use language transfer .org. It's one of the resources that you have included. You have probably seen this already in your homework for weeks 1 and 2. But for this resource is really, really good for listening skills and for practicing skills. You can practice back and you can replay everything that they explain on each of the audios, and you can record your voice and play it back to yourself like I have recommended, so that you can keep fine-tuning your pronunciation in Spanish.